I would absolutely recommend it. Like I said, the people is just meeting people, managing other fleets, but then the networking capability of talking about best practices of how to manage your fleet. Gaining those relationships and then being able to call on people and say, hey, I'm up against this type of thing. Have you dealt with this? Yeah, and then you know people that you can call on. So building those relationships is probably the key benefit.
Oh, for all of the reasons I just said, the answer is absolute yes. You'll see us next year. And if you have any desire to learn how to enhance your product, to enhance anything for your fleet, like this is a must. You gotta come.
I would recommend the Chevin Conference to any Chevin user, just because of the kind of ties back to the software, the visibility. So the software gives you visibility over the fleet. The conference gives you visibility over the company and the roadmap and where the software is headed.
100% yes, and not only would I, but I already have, again, that's the networking, and there's something really cool about being able to meet the people that are, that have developed the system and that are implementing it and designing, future updates to it. It's just, it's sort of remarkable. You don't really see that a lot, and not just fleet softwares, but any sort of production software or anything. So, yeah.
I think all the users should come to the conference. I think it's vital to learning more about the product, the people that are behind the scene, and it creates a relationship to allow yourself to advance and understand what opportunities are out there you didn't realize are available with the software.
I would 100% recommend the conference to FleetWave users. So many reasons why. Again, I use the product in one way, but after today, I realized there's so much more potential, and I just didn't even think about it. And so it really opened my eyes, and I just see so much, there's so much potential.